Good day everyone. Today I am going to discuss the parts and function of SLR. Single lens reflex camera allows the photographer to view the subject most common in police work and our classroom instruction. We have here the parts and its function. First is frame counter. In photography, it is an indicator in roll films cameras that shows the number of frames that have moved through the camera or number of exposure taken. Next is film advance lever. Film advance is a mechanism for moving film from one spool to another incrementally one frame at a time. Shutter release button. In photography, the shutter release button, sometimes just shutter release or shutter button, is a push button found on many cameras used to record photographs. Shutter speed dial. Shutter speed dial provides the selection of shutter speeds and indicates the timing of the shutter open and closes. Film speed rating. Film speed is the measure of photographic film sensitivity to light, determined by sensitometry and measured on various numerical scales, the most recent being the ISO system. Shutter speed index. The shutter speed dial provides a selection of shutter speeds and indicates the timing of shutters open and closes. DirectX contact. DirectX designed so that someone function can be performed on a graphics accelerator card, freeing the microprocessor for other work. Accessory show. An accessory show is a small metal bracket or mount on the top of camera used to attach a speedlight flash and other accessories such as microphones. Lens mounting lens. A lens mount is standards of proprietary interface used by camera and lens manufacturers to ensure a secure and accurate means for attaching a lens to a camera body. Film rewind crank. It is a part or knob on the camera that gives a delay between pressing the shutter and the shutter activation. It can be used to reduce camera shake. Film rewind knob. It can be used to reduce camera shake when taking pictures in low light or with telephoto lens. Grip. Grips have two main functions. The first is to work closely with the camera department to provide camera support, especially if the camera is mounted to a dolly, crane, or in an unusual position, such as the top of a ladder. Lens release button. Lens release button. Press this button to unlock the lens mount and detach the lens by rotating it. Self-timer switch. A self-timer is a device on a camera that gives a delay between pressing the shutter release and the shutters firing. Aperture ring. The aperture ring on a lens allows the photographer to control the aperture with the lens. Next is focusing ring. This is a section of the lens that rotates to allow the photographer to focus the image. Aperture or distance ring. The aperture ring on a lens allows the photographer to control the aperture within the lens. That's all, and thank you.